Today we're making tacos. So I bought 2 boxes of tacos, and it comes with the sauce and the seasoning. And I also have 2 cans of refried beans, 5-pound of hamburger, and you'll need a spoon to stir that with. You'll need a can opener to open the cans, and a little spoon to get the refried beans out. First, what you do is turn your burner on around 6, medium heat, and cook your meat till it's brown. Once you get the meat in the pan, you break it apart with a spoon. Then you'll just start frying. Just flip it over a little bit. Keep stirring it till it gets nice and brown. Okay, see how it's starting to get brown? It's been in here just a couple minutes. You just kind of let it sit for a few minutes and then stir it, and just keep doing that till it's all the brown color, like that. The meat's been cooking about 7 minutes. It's looking pretty brown now. You want to make sure there's no red places in the meat. You want to make sure it's good and done. Just keep flipping it over. We'll give it another couple minutes, and then we'll add the beans and the taco seasoning. My family says this tastes just like the fast food taco meat, only better. So you can try it and see what you think, and comment on the video and tell us how it turned out and what you think about it. But the secret ingredient is the refried beans. It makes the meat a whole different flavor. The meat's done. I buy very lean meat, so there's hardly any grease in it at all. But if you buy meat and it has a lot of grease in it, then just put it in a strainer and strain off the grease, and then put your meat back in the pan. Now we'll put in the refried beans. Just get a tablespoon. I use 2 cans for 5-pound of hamburger. The cans are 16 ounces. So you just work it out of the can, just like that. Get it in there. Then once we get it all out of the can, we stir it all into the meat. Just keep folding it into the meat. Just like that. So all the beans and the meat are totally mixed together. Once you get all the beans and the meat put together, turn down your heat a little bit to a little bit below medium. Then take your taco seasoning, dump it in, because you don't want it boiling when you're trying to put your seasoning in. So like I said, I bought 2 boxes of the Taco Bell taco kit. There's 12 tacos in each pack, and then it comes with the taco seasoning and the mild sauce. If you want to put that on after, when you're making the taco itself, when you put the meat in the shell, and then the tomatoes and lettuce if you want, and cheese, and you can drizzle that medium sauce on top, or just make it however you want. I like it on Doritos. It's really good. If you put Doritos down on a plate, and then put the meat on and then cheese on top. Very, very good nacho. So that is all done. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.